This is how my nails look right now. I got them done 3 weeks ago. I know they look pretty gross. I didn't know what to get. It was very spontaneous and I didn't have any particular color in my mind. So you will see me turning my nails completely new without going to the salon again and spending $0. So let's get right in. So you will see my nails turning from this to this. So I have got nail buffers. Of course, I'm gonna use any one of these. And the next thing that I have is this nail drill. It's actually funny because I use this for my pet to drill their nails, but today I'm gonna use it for myself. And next, of course, we need nail paints. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use from these, but I'm gonna use any one from these colors. And then I've got some glitters just to add some life to your nails. Then I've got these small silver rhinestones just to add some bling to my nails. Got some tools. I'm gonna use this French pin, and then I've got a tweezer just in case. Of course, we need some glue to stick the rhinestones. I don't have the actual glue that you use for nails, so I'm gonna make it work with this one today. And then I also have this clear nail paint. It looks pink, but I swear it's clear. And lastly, I've got this dryer just in case you hate to wait for your nails to dry like I do. And let's get right in. Okay, so first I'm using the driller and taking off the excess thick layer of acrylics that you can see when the nails grow out. I'm trying to make it look more flat, so when you paint your nails, they shouldn't look like you've just painted over your grown out acrylics. So the trick is to first take off the length. So keep drilling until you get your desired length. Then move on to the sides to get the right shape. And then to the thick grown out layer of acrylics. Also in between, do not forget to check the lengths just to make sure they are all the same. I forgot to do that first and realized they were all different lengths, so had to do it again. Just these silly mistakes that I always do. Next, once all of them are of same length and size, it's time to buff just to make sure they are all well polished, not too sharp, or you can scratch yourself in the face while asleep or just in general. Love to do my nails at home so much, especially when they are like this, when they are grown out and you need a refill, because with acrylics it gets a bit messy when it comes about doing your right hand with your left hand, and also because acrylics are hard to do on yourself. Okay, so this saves my refill money, as well as I get to get whatever style or bling I want to add to my nails without worrying about money, because they charge you like $1 per stone and extra $10 each per nail, which kind of sucks. Once I'm done buffing my nails, I'm washing my hands to get rid of any powder and to make sure they are clean and pat dry. Also because I won't be able to wash them for the first few hours after I'm done. Moving on to the design, these pics are what I am going to use as an inspiration today, taking a bit from both the pictures. So let's keep moving. So I am using this neon yellow paint today, but I'm gonna be doing different design on each finger. Starting from my baby finger, I'm doing 2 layers of this. So make sure you paint 1 layer, let them dry for a bit, and then do another layer. And I'm going to be using some yellow glitters as well before my nail paint dries out. I'm spreading a little bit near the cuticle. I just wanted a tiny bit, but it went too much with the glitters, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna make it work. It's fine, you guys. Let's keep moving. Next, of course, I had to use the dryer, or else I'm sure I'm gonna heat it somewhere, and whatever pool I did right there will go to paint. Once the layer is dry, I'm gonna be using this clear coat, which is actually a base coat but works fine as a top coat. So this is a broke girl's hack, you guys. I didn't want to spend another $6 on a nail paint, so here it is. For the ring finger, I'm painting 2 layers of the same neon yellow paint and going to use the rhinestones quickly before it's dry so you don't have to use any extra glue. And with the help of the tweezers, I'm placing 3 of them one after another very carefully. Just make sure the tweezers don't leave any mark on your nail. Now, instead of painting all my nails and drying them all out together, I like to go one-on-one as to make sure I am done with one finger, it's dry, and I'm not gonna mess up while I'm focusing on the other. Because guys, this is the story of my life. Whenever I try to get my nails done, whether it's in a salon or at home, whenever I try to do something, even I'm the most careful girl at that moment, but I always mess up. So this is why I do this, okay? Moving on to the middle finger, I am using this dirty ass sponge. Well, it's actually not dirty, it's stained, which I couldn't wash out, okay? Anyways, I'm cutting it in half and using this 2 paints. Starting from the nude, I am making sure there's enough paint for the sponge to take in, and doing the same for the neon paint, half and half, and carefully tapping it over my nail. Also, right after you do this, do not forget to clean the skin area with a cotton bud before it's dry, or you can use some acetone dipped in your cotton bud. Doing this 2 times, and lastly, I am painting a V with the neon paint, something like this, and tapping it with the sponge to get that ombre gradient effect, and doing the same, blow drying it, top coating, and blow drying it again. Moving on to the index, I am just going to do nothing for this, not gonna add any extra bling, just painting it with the neon paint, blow dry, top coat, and blow dry again. Also, I like to clean the side areas with a pair of tweezers like this, but this only works right after you paint them. It's before it's dry, so just another hack. For the thumb, I am using the same technique as the small finger, just this time I'm using less glitters and spreading it all over my nail. Love the difference it creates. Look how lively and fresh they look compared to the old ones. And this is how it looks after both my hands are done. Just added some glitters and rhinestones, and this is how all of them came out. The thick grown layers of acrylics are gone. You can tell it's a DIY thing. The color looks so much better with the glitters and the rhinestones. Love how they all look together. Fresh and new, spending $0 using what I already had. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Also, do not forget to comment below if you want to see me doing my nails next time again. And I will see you guys with a new video. Bye guys.